Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another cash stuffing, and this is for the first paycheck of December, and I'm going to go ahead and just jump right in. So I did switch some things up. I'm trying out this A6 binder for my cash envelopes instead of my normal wallet envelopes, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So we have groceries, and groceries does have money left over. I didn't pull from here to do all of my grocery shopping over the holidays for Thanksgiving and stuff. So I supplemented with my holiday envelope. That's why I have $60 left over, but we're gonna be adding $135. So we're gonna be doing 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 130, and 5. So that's gonna put groceries at 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 195 in groceries. And I've just been surviving off of like leftovers, just so many leftovers and things in my freezer that I need to eat up. So that's why I've had so much leftover in here. Next, we've got household, and I did bump up household. So we're gonna be adding $30, and that's gonna be a 20 and a 10. So household now has 20, 30, 35, and 40. And hopefully that is good enough. I did have to buy like detergent and OxyClean and just all kinds of stuff. And that tends to get really expensive. So I'm trying to make sure that I add enough into this envelope. Next, we've got spending, and spending is gonna be getting $60. So we're gonna do that in two 20s, a 10, and two 5s. And I forgot to mention this at the start of the video, but I'm stuffing these envelopes to last me 2 weeks. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, and 60 in spending. I'm adding a little bit more because I noticed like around this time, around the holidays, whenever I find deals, I do like to pick up a little something for myself. So I just want to be realistic and add just a little bit more into spending than I normally would. Next, we've got dining out, and I've been okay with this one. We did recently celebrate my boyfriend's birthday, so I took the money we spent to dine out of gifts because we went to a nice restaurant. So that's why I still have some money here. I've got 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're gonna be adding $70 to dining out, and that's gonna be two 20s and a 10, 3 5s, and this should be all the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have too many ones. I'll set these to the side because I definitely have too many ones here. So that's 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So let's add that to our pile here. And I like to keep these smaller bills in here instead of condensing the envelope for like tip and stuff. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So 95 in dining out. Next, we've got car, and this is for car wash. We're just gonna be adding $5 to this today. Do I have a nasty bag? This one's kind of raggedy. Okay, next we've got car wash, and car wash is going to be getting $5 today. I still need to go. My car is disgusting. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40 in car wash. That is definitely enough to get like a hand car wash this time around because Lord knows my car definitely needs it. And that is it. I just have deposit money and some receipts in the back. So this is what I'm using in the meantime. I'm trying to decide if I like it instead of just using cash envelopes in my wallet. So we'll see how that goes. But that is it for the cash envelopes. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to my sinking funds. And I'm gonna start out with my clear binder here. So starting out with wish list. And a wish list is going to be getting $20 today. And I'm just gonna keep adding to this because like I said, I like to spend a little bit on myself during the holidays, so I just want to make sure that I have enough money to cover. I did recently just get a new purse, so I will be pulling money from here to pay off my credit card. So we've got 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 485, 486. So 486 in wish list. And I did pull from this because I got some white Adidas. I got the Adidas Superstar, I think. I just wanted like a really basic, like all white shoe. So that's what I went with, and I pulled from this envelope. Next, we've got Adventures, and Adventures is going to be getting 25. So it's going to be a 20 and a 5. So Adventures now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170. So 170 in Adventures. Next, we've got Travel, and Travel is getting $20 today. I think I did this so that I can hit the $500 mark because that's more than what I usually give to Travel. So Travel now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500. So now we can swap the 20s out for a $100 bill. Next, we've got Christmas, and I am almost completely done Christmas shopping, you guys. I took advantage of all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, so I'm really excited about that. I haven't pulled from this yet, but I will be pulling from this to pay off my credit card. But I'm going to be adding $60. So that's gonna be a 50 and a 10. So Christmas for now, till I pull from it, has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 20, 30, 40, 45. So 1,045. But I did spend a few $100s just to get everything done, get a present for everybody. So this will be significantly less, but I have a feeling that I'll still have enough money left over in here, and maybe I'll have enough to get myself something nice as well. And that is it for this envelope here. Or I'm sorry, this binder. Sorry guys, I'm filming really late at night, so I feel like I'm just completely out of it. I'm gonna move on to my rose gold binder, and unfortunately it did get kind of bent, so hopefully it still sits okay. And we're gonna start out with clothing. So clothing is going to be getting, how much today? 15. So it's gonna be a 10 and a 5. So clothing now has 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 101, 2, 3, and 4. And I did get new clothes, but they are still on their way in the mail. And I have to see if they fit. Recently, I've just been returning everything that I've been getting for clothing because it either doesn't fit right or it just looks completely opposite from the way that it did in the photos online. So that's unfortunate. Holidays is going to be getting $50, and I'm adding to this pretty heavily because I would like to take my siblings out for like just to see some Christmas lights, but I also want to have enough to like get them hot cocoa or maybe take them out to dinner on the way to the lights, just stuff that I didn't get to do growing up. I want to make sure that they have those experiences. So I've been saving a little bit each month to make sure that I can make that happen. So we have 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 291, and 292. So 292 in holidays. Next, we've got home, and home is going to be getting $5 today. So it looks like I am off. Give me 1 second, you guys, so that I can make some change. Okay, you guys, I am finally back. So I have the 5 now for home. So home now has 100, 120, 130, 135. Next, we've got beauty, and beauty is going to be getting $10 today. I do want to make an appointment to get my brows done, so that's probably what I'll be spending this money on. So beauty now has 100, 120, 130, 135, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 139 in beauty. and maybe I will get them done tomorrow because my family is going to be taking Christmas pictures next weekend. So I want to make sure that I look presentable because it has been a while since I've got my brows done. And lastly, this last $30 is going into gifts to replenish gifts because like I mentioned, we celebrated my boyfriend's birthday. So this envelope is not depleted, but almost depleted. So we have $50, $70, $80, $90 in gifts, and I'm just gonna slowly build this up again because I did finish shopping, obviously for my boyfriend's birthday and my sister's birthday that is in December. So that is it for my cash envelopes total. I don't have anything going into spending because I don't have any rollover. I have been definitely treating myself. I feel like all of these Cyber Monday and Black Friday deals have been super tempting, so that's where my money has been going. So that was it for my cash envelope stuffing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday, and I hope you guys are all looking forward to Christmas as much as I am. I seriously cannot wait to celebrate the holiday with my family and friends. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.